Postgraduate research and education within an industrial environment provides hands-on opportunities, as well as the research skills essential for cultivating the next generation of engineers. Duncan Golestani went to see how London South Bank University and Brunel University London have formed partnerships with TWI to deliver world-leading science and innovation, providing the skills necessary to put the UK in the centre of the fourth industrial revolution.
From solar panel coatings to inspection robots, the scientists and engineers at TWI are trying to solve a host of problems relating to structural integrity, materials and joining technologies. It is one of the world's leading independent research and technology organisations. TWI acts as a vital bridge between industry and academia. Here, ideas can be put into practice, so they're not just working on the technology of tomorrow, they're also developing the engineers of tomorrow. There are currently 5 universities on TWI's Cambridge site, with academic research driven by TWI's industrial members.
I think sometimes industry and academia are speaking 2 different languages. One is very much about curiosity-based research, and one is industry is very much about I want a solution and I want it now. We are the translator, so we will not compromise academic quality of research, but we will work with industry to make sure that's focused towards industrial need.
That's why Mahesh is developing robots which can climb mooring chains to carry out safety inspections. And outside they're working on the latest anti-icing coatings for propellers. It's near-market research, with the graduates getting invaluable industry exposure.
It's a really good opportunity to be able to work very closely with the key stakeholders and the end users who will be eventually using the research you're working on.
Working with the industry is really important because we know how to make robots, but we don't know the needs that they have for autonomous inspection. So we learn a lot about inspection, and we actually scale all that problems into our robots to make the inspection they want to.
London South Bank University started its collaboration with TWI less than 4 years ago. So far, the partnership has brought in almost £5 million worth of grant income for the university.
We may have the bones here of a new type of university, a university which is not dominated by one particular campus or style, but brings together researchers across different universities to work together for the benefit of industry.
For Brunel University London, industry-led research is critical to its mission to educate and carry out research for the public benefit.
It enables us to not do research for research's sake, but to enable our research to make an impact out in industry, and it informs our teaching and our teaching programmes to ensure that our students are educated and are up to date with what industry is looking for.
Ruth Boumphrey is from Lloyd's Register Foundation, a TWI partner and supporter. She explains how TWI being governed by its membership is key to its success.
TWI's structure is unique because it has these industrial members, and the industrial members range from massive global companies like Saudi Aramco, BP, to smaller companies like SMEs who are trying to develop products for the supply chain. In addition to that, they bring in students. So they've created this amazing campus here. They're bringing in students, they're bringing in universities. Those students and universities get to sit right next to the industry people.
With nearly £600 million worth of projects in the last 5 years, TWI expects to double the number of universities and Ph.Ds on site in the next 5 years. Ambition, it seems, is hardwired through this innovative organisation.